Hey guys, Oskar from GoPrimate here, and in this video we're going to try a bodyweight exercise that's going to target your triceps, diamond push-ups. When it comes to bodyweight training, diamond push-ups are the go-to exercise to target the outer head of the triceps. And the outer head of the tricep is the part that's kind of sticking out when you extend your arm. And the reason why they are great for building your outer head of the tricep is because of the angle that we're doing when we're pushing. Because we're going to be pushing from a outwards positioning now, and that is the sweet spot for targeting the outer head of the tricep specifically. So diamond push-ups get their name because your hand is going to be shaped like a diamond, and you want to keep your hands right here on your chest level. So you can kind of experiment a little bit with how outward you want to point your hands. If you go too far out, you might start to notice a little bit of pain and discomfort right on the outside of your hands. So if that's the case, simply take them a little bit more inside. But key thing, not like this, but somewhere in the middle and on your chest level. That's the most important thing to keep in mind when you do your diamond push-ups.
So you get into the right position by putting your hands into a diamond shape, and make sure your hands are going to be on your chest level, and from here you can start performing your repetitions. You want to avoid any type of arch in your lower back. So instead you want to make sure you really push in and tuck your hips in underneath and keep this position for your hips throughout the whole movement. And this is something you have to do when you do any type of push-up. So whether it's diamond push-ups, archer push-ups, or just normal push-ups, you always want to make sure you tuck your hips in and keep them nicely tucked in throughout the whole movement. You want to go as low as you possibly can. So ideally your chest will touch your hands at the bottom position. As with any exercise, on the way down, so on the eccentric phase, you want to make sure you put the brakes on and slow down the movement. But on the way up, you can come up a little bit faster. In the top position, you're going to push your shoulders forward, and on the way down, you're simply going to allow your shoulder blades to naturally come together. If you're struggling with diamond push-ups and trying to find a way to make it easier, you can go ahead and perform them inclined. So all you need is a park bench, a low chin-up bar, or anything that's gonna elevate your hands from the ground, and that's gonna make your diamond push-ups feel a lot easier, and that's a great way to start doing them. To make diamond push-ups harder for you, there's a few different things you can do, but the best way to make them harder is to simply slow down the tempo. So on the way down, you're gonna slow down the speed and come down very slowly, and on the way up, you can come up faster and more explosively. Just by doing this little adjustment, you're going to notice that they're going to be a lot harder, and you're going to be able to do fewer repetitions. The second option is to use a band, and you can see me show you here how to use it. So you put the band right behind your back, you get into your normal diamond push-up position, and you're going to start performing reps with the band behind your back. So the band is going to be pulling you towards the ground, and thus give you more resistance to work against. And the last option you have is to put your legs on an elevated surface and perform diamond push-ups from this position instead. So this way you're going to be lifting more of your body weight, and it's going to be slightly harder this way. And of course you can also combine all of these three options if you really need to, but I would recommend you just begin with simply slowing down the tempo first.
And that's it for diamond push-up, guys. Make sure you go and try this out. They're great for targeting your triceps, and subscribe for more bodyweight training tips in the future. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Happy training.